Condenser unit short cycling is messing with your air conditioning and driving up your energy bills like crazy. So, first, check your thermostat settings because sometimes it's just set too high or too low and causing the unit to shut on and off way too often. Next, you gotta inspect the refrigerant levels. If they are low, your system won't run properly and will short cycle. Don't forget to clean or replace your air filter because a clogged filter restricts airflow, making the unit work harder and short cycle. Also, make sure there's no debris blocking the condenser unit outside. Leaves and dirt can cause overheating. Keep an eye on your thermostat placement too. If it's near a heat source or in direct sunlight, it'll give false readings and mess with your system. Tighten any loose electrical connections because faulty wiring can make the unit cycle weirdly. Regular maintenance actually saves you money by preventing these issues, so don't skip it. Lastly, if you're unsure about any of this, calling a pro to check things out is always a smart move. One of the biggest mistakes with condenser units short cycling is ignoring the thermostat settings. People often set it too cool or too warm without realizing it causes the unit to turn on and off non-stop, which wears it out fast. Fixing this means just adjusting your thermostat wisely. Another common problem is low refrigerant levels, usually from leaks, and that makes the unit cycle short to avoid damage. You want a technician to find and fix leaks and recharge the refrigerant properly. The third issue is dirty air filters that block airflow. Many folks forget this simple step, but swapping filters regularly keeps air flowing smooth and stops short cycling. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors find steady work by linking them with people ready to get projects done right.